Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share my collective haul from various apps. I got few products from Nykaa's Pink Summer Sale, some from Cult and one product from Hawk Makeup. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Starting with my Hawk package, I got this Makeup Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. This is the ultra matte finish with aloe vera and vitamin E, and you get 150 ml of quantity. I have heard that this fixes your makeup and holds your makeup for really long time and doesn't melt your makeup. So today I have sprayed this on my face, but one thing you will have to keep in mind, if you own this, you will have to keep your eyes closed for certain minutes, because if it gets into your eyes, it just burns very badly. And the spray is also little bit harsh. I thought it would be a very ultra fine mist, but this is a very harsh, like in your face kind of mist. I don't know about the longevity power, that I'm going to test it very soon and update you guys about it. Moving on to my Cult order, I brought these two lipstick from Sunny's Face, and it is their Fluff Matte lipstick. I got two shade Brunette and Girl Crush. The reviews already up on my channel. If you are looking out for swatches on NC42 skin, then you can surely head on to my channel. Honestly speaking, I was not aware of this brand, and when I researched, I came to know that this is a Filipino brand, and most of their lipsticks were viral, and it was always out of stock. So if you are interested, then you can head on to my channel for more details. Next, I brought this Sunny's Face Air Blush, and this is in the shade again Girl Crush. I really loved how nicely they have given the shade description that has helped me decide what shade I would like to pick for myself. This is how the packaging looks like, and let me just give you a glimpse of the shade. So this is the shade Girl Crush. It's a beautiful terracotta rosy shade, which is going to suit someone with medium to tan skin tone, and it looks beautiful because it gives you a natural finish. And the next product I got from Sunny's Face is their Skin So Good Multi Stick. Now they say that you can use this as your foundation, concealer, highlighter, and even as your contour. I bought the shade Saddle, and this retails for rupees 1450, wherein you get 3 grams of product. Let me show you the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. You will find the shade name on the bottom of the packaging, and yes, it's a retractable packaging, you guys. So if you are interested to know the shade and how exactly it works on our Indian skin tone, then all you have to do is stay tuned, turn your notifications on so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Coming to the last product of my Cult order, I received this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel as a freebie. It is their refill pack, and you get 50 grams of product. Now I did try this water gel once, and I did not like it whatsoever. It made my skin feel very dry and stretchy. It was not moisturizing enough, not hydrating enough. So I'm going to definitely pass it on to my husband so that he can have a maximum use of it. So now let's move on to my Nykaa order. From Nykaa, I did order some essentials which I wanted to restock. So starting with, I ordered this Simple Hydrating Gel Cream. Now this is something I really wanted for my summer days. Like during summer, I avoid thick moisturizer because then my makeup starts melting off because I have a sweaty face. So I wanted something very lightweight, and this I have been using it for past couple of days. I really love how it makes my skin feels very moisturized and very hydrated. I really love how lightweight it is, because I have been using Simple's skincare product for almost 3 years now. So I have been loving most of their product, so I thought let me just try it, and I am loving it. Next, I ordered this Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. This is a 200 ml bottle. I have almost finished mine, and I always try and keep a backup of this micellar water because this is very gentle on my skin. It's very hydrating. It does not make my skin feel dry and stretchy after I remove my makeup or after I cleanse my face. So yes, for that reason I always restock this whenever it is on sale. With my Simple products, I received this Simple Refreshing Facial Wash as a freebie. It's a 50 ml tube, and I have been loving my Simple Moisturizing Face Wash. I have been using it for many years now, since Simple was launched in India, and I haven't switched to any other facial wash. It's a great thing that they have included this so that I can use it and see how actually my dry skin feels about this. I am definitely going to share my updated review very soon after I try all of them. Finally, I got my hands on CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. This is for dry to very dry skin. It's a 50 ml tube, and I thought this is the best time to try this out because I was eyeing this for the longest time since it got launched on Nykaa. And I think it's quite similar to Bioderma Atoderm Intensive Balm because this is also a balm hydrant. So maybe this will also have a thicker consistency. I am going to use it in PM because that is the time when I love something thick and moisturizing on my skin. So I'm soon going to use it and let you guys know how actually it feels on my dry skin type. And with my CeraVe order, I got this sample size as a freebie. This is their facial moisturizing lotion with SPF 30. This is a 3 ml tube. Let's see how actually it is. I think I'm going to get 3 to 4 uses of this. Let's see if I like it. I'll get a full size. Next, I restocked on my favorite mascara from Essence. It is their I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. This bad boy is always out of stock. I saw it getting in stock during Nykaa's pink summer sale, so I brought 2 of them because if I'm using one, then I will already have one as a backup. And I really love how it make my lashes look because I do not wear falsies. It gives me a good volume and somewhat lengthens my lashes, so that's why I love it. I got another mascara from Matte Look. It is their Lash Clash 15x volumizing mascara. Like, I saw one of the influencers raving this and I thought let's try it out how actually it is, whether it is all true or not, whatever she was saying. So I'm currently using this and I am confused whether I like it or I don't. So I'm going to post my review very soon. Please stay updated. Coming to the last but not the least, I restocked on my favorite lip oil from La Mer, and it is in the shade Berry Eyes. I have already recommended this product during Nykaa's recommendation video, and that is why I restocked, kept a backup because I am in love with this lip oil, you guys. It's so hydrating and nourishing. Plus the tint it gives, oh my god, it looks beautiful on my dark pigmented lips. And that is why I thought it's a good time to keep a backup so that I don't run out of it. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social media handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.